part 2 of the 500 gram section over here, coming from the discount fireworks store in Necedah. Just gonna say it like that because I don't know if I say it right. And we have a whole bunch actually, from Bright Star Winda to Raccoon and No Name, and a couple of Brothers stuff over here too. So I'm gonna jump right in as always. Actually, I just tested this one, Whistlin' Dixie. That one was a great one. I loved it. It definitely whistles. That's 10 bucks for 20 shots. Eye Candy, 16 shots, 10 bucks. Avalanche, 10 bucks, 16 shots. It's all about the same. But go up here. Bloodhound, it's 40 bucks, 20 shots by Bright Star. You got Sunshine State, 40 bucks for 20 shots. We got from left to right Hawaiian Dream. It is 24 shots, 29 bucks. You got Man Cave, it's 43 bucks, 36 shots. Lace Impulse, I've shot that one, it's very nice. It's 25 shots, 45 bucks. And over here we have Rockin' the Bowtie, 25 shots, 32 bucks. Honky Tonk Town, 9 shots, 44 bucks. Coming down here, here's how we'll do this. We'll do top left, Starry Fall, it's 33 bucks. And then Hit the Road Jack, obviously 49 shots, 36 bucks. Can't touch this. It's 29 bucks, 28 shots. And then bottom left, we got Cray Cray. It's 12 shots for 28 bucks. We got Beast Quest, 15 shots, 23 bucks. We got The Heat Is On, 20 shots, 26 bucks. Coming down here, on the left, on the top here, we have High Life. It's 29 bucks, 30 shots. Hydrogen Bomb is 44 bucks, 36 shots. Neutron Bomb, all of the bombs are 36 shots, 44 bucks. You got High Flutin'. It is 49 shots, 36 bucks. And then down here, you got Scallywag. It's 92 shots, 68 bucks. We got Rounders. It's 25 shots, 26 bucks. And then we have Collateral Damage by Black Cat. It's 40 bucks, 49 shots. Come on over here. We got Master Stroke on the left. 29 bucks, 20 shots. We got Neon Shake. It's 46 bucks, 25 shots. We got Fat Lady. 30 shots, 47 bucks. On the bottom we have Firefly. 51 bucks for 16 shots. Big breaks. Huh. I'll have to take a look at that. That's by Brothers too. We got Sledgehammer by Bright Star. It is 31 bucks for shot count that I don't see. We got Light Chasers by Winda. 41 bucks, 33 shots. And down here, we got Make America Great Again. 27 shots, 53 bucks. Rags to Riches. 34 bucks for 18 shots. And we got Faux Show. 30 shots, 40 bucks. We got Tada. 45 bucks, 36 shots. We got Wolf Warrior. 18 shots, 35 bucks. Down at the bottom here, we got Neon Blast, 30 shots, 47 bucks. And then Maximum Drama, is 53 bucks, 50 shots. Coming all the way over here. Such a long walk. couple that I believe I've said already, but that's okay. We'll just go over them again. We have, left to right, we have Twitch and Itch, 20 shots, 29 bucks. Knockout, 48 bucks, 25 shots. Super Stunt by Winda, it's 12 shots, 48 bucks. We have Bottoms Up by Winda, 34 shots, 27 bucks. Down here, left to right, it's Down the Rabbit Hole, 25 shots, 26 bucks. Evil Teddy, 27 shots, 33 bucks. Gone Clubbin', it's 36 shots, 36 bucks. And Artistic Pyro, 44 bucks, 45 shots. Oh, excuse me. Down here we have Zombie, 25 bucks for 25 shots. Got Witch Doctor, 40 bucks for, oh boy, shot count that I don't see. I can't remember the shot count on that one. Sublime, 30 shots, 32 bucks by Brightstar. Down on the bottom here, on the left is Shark Tornado, 25 shots, 44 bucks. Neon Road, 44 bucks for 24 shots. And come on. Buck You, 37 shots. I'm sorry, $37, 25 shots. That one messed me up. No Name's got some good raps. On the left, we have Superman, 9 shots, 44 bucks. Evil Clown, 30 bucks for, I believe that one's 9 shots as well. Yes, 9 shots. We have Catacorn, 25 shots, 24 bucks. Slammin' Salmon, 25 shots, 26 bucks. It's a salmon punching a bear in the face. You got Havoc, 24 shots, 41 bucks. Oh boy. Fire Drake, 29 bucks, 36 shots by Brothers. Catacorn and Slammin' Salmon again. Down here, we got the Smackdown on the left-hand side, 36 shots, 35 bucks. Got Pool Party from Brightstar, 32 shots, 22 bucks. Got Hello Friend again, 36 shots, 35 bucks. And then we got True Blue Patriot, 15 shots, 27 bucks. Down here, Get Off My Nuts, 46 bucks. Carnivore, it's 28 shots, 47 bucks. And we got Hen House, 44 bucks for, I don't know how many shots. Sorry if I'm going kind of quick. I'm trying to power through a migraine right now. Prices and shot counts need to be found for all these people. And then Slammin' Salmon, just kicking bears' asses all over the place. Hunker Down, 16 shots, 28 bucks. I got Big Shot, 9 shots, 44 bucks. We got Yee Yee, 30 shots, 45 bucks. Down here, we have Clifford. What are these all the same? Yeah, it looks like it's a 4-pack, kind of like how the bombs are for Brothers. But it looks like we got Clifford, Not Me, Depth Perception, and Four Eyes. All 16 bucks. There's no shot count. 8 shots. Looks like they're all 8 shots a pop. Got down here, we got Havoc on the left-hand side. That's 24 shots, 41 bucks again. And then we have Look Guys. Big buff monkey with a friggin' banana. We got 24 shots for 46 bucks. Over here, we got V-Day up on the top on the left. It's by Bright Star. It's 29 bucks for 26 shots. We got Swamp Gator, 20 shots, 37 bucks. We got Till Death Do We Part. It's 30 shots, 47 bucks. And we got Chicken Farm Fresh. It's 39 bucks, 30 shots. Down here, from the left, we have Notorious, 28 bucks, 33 shots. Fantastic Beast, 39 bucks for 16 shots. Got Bang Bros, 56 bucks. By Raccoon. $44 shots. Sorry, I gotta look at this one real quick because I saw how pretty it looked from the side. Oh, I apologize. There we go. Oh, wow. If I can get the lighting right. Those look like very nice brakes. 195 feet. Straight firing pattern. Those look very pretty. Might be leaving with that. Where was I? Bang Bros. Oh, Garden Terror. 20 shots, 26 bucks. That's all, folks. 39 bucks, 36 shots. Inferno Punch. 16 shots, 25 bucks. Garden Terror again. Down here we got Breaking Bad. 25 bucks, 7 shots. Zombie again. 25 shots, 25 bucks. All In from Windows, 51 shots, 60 bucks. Fault Line is 29 bucks, 20 shots. And then Radioactive, 21 bucks for 20 shots. Moving along. We've done a couple of these over here, that's okay. Plague Doctor, 16 shots, 21 bucks. Got Hawaiian Punch, 44 bucks. Supreme Fireworks, 24 shots. I've said that one already, but that's okay. Boom Shakalaka. It's a 1.5 inch tube, 27 bucks for 9 shots. Road to America, 172 shots, 94 bucks. Down here we have Plague Doctor again. Devious Delight, 25 bucks, 25 shots. Fake News Alert, 25 bucks, 25 shots. Guerrilla Warfare, 25 shots for 25 bucks. Down here we got Howl at the Moon, 25 shots, 22 bucks. Devious Delight again. I'm on a Diet, 36 shots, 36 bucks. We got Prime Rain by Bright Star. It's 26 bucks for 25 shots. We have Rainbow from Winda, 30 shots, 40 bucks. We got Party Bus by Winda, always a classic, 42 shots, 54 bucks. Wild Mama, 13 shots, 45 bucks. I don't think I've seen that before. That one might be coming home with me as well. Nobody tell my wife. I still don't think she watched my videos. Eagle Pride by Raccoon, 41 bucks for a shot count that is yet to be seen. In Your Eye Again, it's 21 bucks, 21 shots, 27 bucks. Hot Pickle, it's 21 shots for 45 bucks. Got a little bit of fun stuff over here that I'll grab real quick before I wrap this one up. We got some Sky Lanterns from Winda, 3 bucks a pop. We got some Jumbo Morning Glories, 3 bucks a pop. There's 6 in there, I believe. We got some rockets. Up here we got the Ring of Fire rockets, 16 bucks for a pack. 12-inch missiles from Supreme, 20 bucks. We got the Repulsive Ray rockets from Canon. Looks like it's 16 bucks. We got Space Falcon rockets. It's 13 bucks for 5. We got the Ghost Stars, 10 bucks for 5. Immortal rockets from Canon. It's 19 bucks. And yeah, just rolls back into some more 500s. But that'll wrap up this one. We get some more bean footage, as my father would say, of a couple other good cakes. Parrots Prattle just did a video on that. Get some more of these fountains and everything over here. And we'll move on to artillery.